Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unassign a DoorDash order step by step. First, once you accept an order, tap the question mark icon in the top right. Select and assign this delivery from the list. A reminder will pop up, your completion rate will drop. So, keep it above 80% to avoid deactivation. Choose a reason, example, distance is too far or order too small. Submit your reason, then confirm when DoorDash gives you a guilt trip. You're the best dasher for this order. And that's it. Your order is now unassigned. And that's how you unassign an order on DoorDash. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.